About extraterrestrial life because we both think that it's an interesting topic.
Well, the main topic is it is possible life exists on other planets. The introduction. What is an extraterrestrial life? Extraterrestrial life is life that does not grow here in Earth. And well, in this topic we have two sides of opinions. Those who are the scientists that believe that life can exist because of the research that they have been made since years ago by projects by the NASA, and those scientists that believe that it is impossible to exist life because it had passed a lot of time to don't know yet certain information about that tells us that life exists in other planets.
On the other hand, we have the believers, the ones that are not scientists, are only people that want to search, such as certain famous person or personality that is always looking for videos or some suspicious activity around the whole world. Well, the points in favor, first of all, are that scientists have found some positive reactives, such as bacteria or organic life of extraterrestrial life. It is one case in Saturn's moon that is named Titan, and it is found that this was not only organic life, such as bacteria, viruses, and some of that kind of stuff. They send a special little robot so they can continue focusing on all that the surface of the moon, and it took some some matter, some oil, some soil, and some to test here in NASA's laboratories. There also, because of this, I had a new route of field to study. It's a new science called astrobiology. Nowadays, science, it was the 90s, it wants to boom for looking not only for extraterrestrial life, even they are looking for some planets in which we can live if Earth is going to the end. Well, there was a mission from an astrobiologist named Kepler from NASA, and they identified 1,781 planets that can be candidates in where we can live, and also in where we can find some living things. Dirk Schultz says that if it is there water, it is possibility of life. For example, here in Earth was able to be life because it was a lot of water. So they are looking for some, lagoons, oceans in the other planets, so they can taste if the microbialists, and all other chemicals can lead to have living things. As already, astrobiology includes microbiology, chemistry, physics, and other science involved, such as can make a big and specific at the same time science for looking this. And nowadays, was discovered from Martian microbes that are clearly close from the ones that were from the ones from Earth when it starts living the life in Earth. These microbes are very close from the ones that were from this, so there's making a new laws or theories about this.
Well, now I'm going to talk about the points against this topic. Life takes so much time to develop. This is a topic that a professor of environmental science developed through his development of a new mathematical model where he takes as a model the way that Earth develops. And well, he thinks that most of the science are also based in just one step to form life, that is to pass from animals to humans. But this scientist, that his name is Andrew Watson, says that there are 4 steps that are basically important. The first is the primitive life, the second is the cell specialization, then the rise of the sex, and the most important, he says that is the intelligence. So what he tries to compare with his model is that in Earth it has been passed a lot of time to create life as we know nowadays, and that if it is possible to exist life in other planets, according to his model, in other planets we have found more specific information about, or clues that show us that it is possible to live in other planets or to develop another kind of life. And well, another point to take in account is what it says talk about the water. And NASA cannot determine life in other planets because they also have found a few evidence that water is abundant in other environments. They have performed many missions to Venus, Mars, and to the moons of Jupiter.
Saturn too.
And they found just a little, proves that water is in a quantities like it was in the earth. And well, life in the earth takes advantage of the water's favorable properties. In this article, their main point was that in earth the life was because of the presence of water and because it was an element more abundance in the planet. So if there is no sufficient water in other planets, life cannot exist as we know in here in Earth. And
Well, the effects directly to the society are that even if the extraterrestrial life is like a belief, it can be treated like a religion. So this includes the tolerance of from the other people that don't believe, or even they believe, to that all the ideas are spreading out from this, because also there are new science, a new like scienceology, it's like a religion that are learning from this extraterrestrial life. So it is crucial for having tolerance from these ideas. Well, the main points of view were based on these beliefs, and they still not have in count what it is true or it is false. They only have some proofs about there is life, and the other hand they have that is not, it is life or it's not like another human, another living thing, so it's very complex like us, but it is true that it is like a bacteria or that other kind of stuff.
well, that's